Hi Cancer, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading Cancer for your general energies, career situation and relationship Cancer. We are picking few cards guys. So these are for your general energies Cancers. This is for your relationship and this card is for your career situation Cancers. And I have a fairy tale special pick a card love reading right after this general energy. So if you are interested, you can watch that reading guys, so that will follow this reading. So let's start with the general energies. Cancers, we have the moon in reverse, abyss of stars and 10 of spheres. So with these cards guys, it may be in your career this situation, or it may be in your personal life guys. So in your situation today guys, Cancers, maybe there are maybe you would have done something wrong. It may be in your career, maybe you have made some wrong choices and you don't know what you need to do, and you are what to say, simply feeling lost, or you are simply running around doing this doing that, and you don't know what is happening in your life today. Maybe you are too busy, caught up in some kind of what to say, too many activities for you, and it is really difficult to take time, think clearly and do the right things. So that may be the reason you are making some mistakes. It may be in your career situation, or it may be in your personal life, in this relationship. Some mistakes, maybe it may lead to some difficulties in future for you guys. And also in your situation today, maybe there is someone here to help you or guide you. This may be a woman, your mentor, sibling, or parent, someone, it may also be your friend. So they are really mature, experienced, and they are telling you, guiding you what you need to do today. So maybe you don't have time, you don't have time to think. This person is here to tell you what is the right thing to do today, and their guidance is what you need to listen to guys. Maybe if you have someone like that in your situation, you must listen to this person. And I also see that in your situation, maybe you are planning to travel for work, or it may be a holiday trip. You have made plans with this person you love, or you have to travel. Maybe it is inevitable because it may be for your work. So whatever it is, um, guys, you are facing some troubles or some what to say, you are quite busy running around, lots of efforts. Whatever your situation is, you are having that balance, harmony in your life guys. You are trying to balance between your life, maybe between your work, between your relationship and work. So any difficulties that are coming in your situation, you are trying to be that level headed person, balanced, and doing the trying to do the right things. So that is what I see guys with these cards. Let's see what is the card specific to your relationship. So we have apprentice of spheres. Cancers, maybe this person you are seeing, maybe they are much younger to you guys, or you are much younger to this person you are seeing. So that age difference is there between you both. And also I see that in this relationship, maybe you are quite attentive and you are what to say, really dedicated towards this person or towards this love, or this may be their energy, guys. They are really loyal, dedicated. Maybe cancers, if you had doubts on this person that they are not loyal or trustworthy, they are loyal, guys, and they are trustworthy. So that is what I see with these cards, guys. Cancers, let's see what is the card specific to your career situation. So it is Burning Tower in reverse. So with this card in your situation, some unexpected things are going to happen, guys, in your career situation. Maybe they are transferring you to a different place or a different city, something unexpected coming in your way, but you will be able to handle that situation also, because we saw with the previous cards that balance and harmony. So whatever difficulties you are facing in your life today, guys, you will be able to overcome uh, all that. That is what I see, guys, with these cards. Cancers, if you are interested, you can watch the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, guys. For your love reading, guys, today's pick a card, we have two cards here, and it is from the Fairy Tale Oracle. So these cards may clarify your situation, give you some answers. So you need to close your eyes, think about your situation for a few seconds, then open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first, or the crystal. So this is your first card and this is your second card. You can either meditate thinking of these crystals or with the cards, and then you can choose the card which comes to you first as you open your eyes. So that way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start the reading after a few seconds. Okay, guys, so now let's start with the first card. I will keep this card here. We will see what it is. It is Wounds, Verde Prato. That is the card for you all. It just means that for those who have chosen this card, maybe you are hiding something. Maybe you are hiding your true feelings for someone from the people close to you. So you have kept some secrets from them, and they are trying to punish you or hurt you because you are holding something secretly close to your heart and you are not willing to reveal that. And maybe today the worst things have happened in your situation because you have held this secret for so long, and something has happened because of that. But today you can reveal your true feelings for this person, and you can speak your mind. So that way you will not put your love or put your feelings to more danger. So there are people in your situation who are trying to control you, guys. They are here as your friend or a family member, but they are trying to control you, dominate you, dominate your decisions or dominate your actions. Because they are really irritated because you have not revealed what is there in your heart to them. So they feel really bad and they want to do something against you. They want to punish you or hurt you in return. But if you want your love to grow or flourish, you have to come out with your true feelings. You have to reveal what you feel about that person in truth, guys. So that way you will be, you will be true to your heart, and you need courage in your heart to do that, guys. That is what I see. So you need to face your fears. Maybe you are afraid that this person, maybe your friend or a family member, they may not have that acceptance for this love. But whatever it is, we have to face our fears. Whatever fears we have to face. We have to have that courage in your heart, in our hearts, to stand up for what we believe in, and stand up for what we love. So, or for some of you, you are having a secret affair with someone and you are hiding it, maybe. So, you need to bring it out, guys. That is the energy with this card. Tell the truth today. That is the energy with this card, guys. So, that is the reading with this card, guys, for those who have chosen this card, the first card. Let's see what is the second card. For those who have chosen this crystal and this card, it says Fairy Ointment, the sight. So the energy with this card is that maybe for some of you, you have some rare gifts. Maybe you have a great intuition guiding you every step of the way. And today, maybe in your circumstance, you are seeing some things and it is truthful to you. You know what will happen, or you know in that circumstance how things are going to go, or you have an idea how things will go, or it will take course. But you need to keep this gift silently, guys, because you should not reveal what you truly feel without people asking you, because it is best that way to give our suggestions only when someone is asking for it, guys. So you need to understand that, and you need to if you speak without that person asking you what it is, or they may not trust you, they may even feel irritated, because they may feel that you are saying things because you are jealous or envious towards them. That is the reason you are speaking few things, and they may not even trust your intuition. So if you are someone with some rare gifts, maybe intuition is something I am giving as an example, maybe you know. Or for some of us, we may have a feeling that something bad, when something bad is about to happen, we may have some kind of a premonition. So when we have those kind of gifts, it is best that we keep it to ourselves instead of revealing it. We can suggest some things to help that person to avoid that circumstance, but we should not come out with the truth that we see things in such a way, or we fear that so and so may take place, and we should not tell our we should not talk openly about our gifts, guys. Maybe this may be your circumstance today, guys. So you need to be silent. If you have some intuition telling you some certain things, you need to be silent. And if it is with someone really close to you, you can just help them avoid that situation, guys. So that way it is not going to affect that person nor you. So that is the energy with this card. For those who have chosen this card, guys, thanks again, guys, for watching this video. If this video if this reading resonated, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.